Yo, what's goody, what's poppin', YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We about to go head over to Southwest Speed so we can knock out the cam for the Lexus. But I did first want to start off showing y'all a bunch of stuff that I got in the mail for the cars. So we have everything for the Lexus, for the steering rack. That way we can get the car aligned. We also got a radiator cap, Mishimoto radiator cap for the Lexus as well. Then we also have the front brake lines for the Honda. We also have another thermostat for the Lexus, and we have a Mishimoto fan. The other fan was good. It was nothing wrong with it, but I did. It was like an cheap eBay fan. I wanted to get a new fan, so that way we can throw a new fan on our Mishimoto radiator. So that's kind of the stuff that we got in the mail. We also did get the diff for the Honda, so we'll be able to mount this up with the transmission and be able to get a measurement so we can start on our drive shaft. Got my packages. Throw that there. Beast of a motor sitting on a fucking engine stand. So I got here and I realized I forgot I had to take off this drive shaft for the Subi, because the guy wants to buy that, so I'm gonna take that off while I'm here. I'm not gonna bore y'all with me taking that off. I'm just gonna start moving shit. Then we're gonna get going, get it packed up, and meet this guy here in 30 minutes. So let me hurry up and do this so we can head out and go knock out this Lexus and get y'all probably a start today. Alright, so I got the drive shaft on my front seat, because as you know, I got 2 10s in this Mini Cooper now, so I can't really put anything in the back anymore. So we're gonna head over to Calvary, the little church, so I can give him this drive shaft. He's buying it for 200 bucks. I'm just trying to sell parts off the car to fund my bad habits. Lucy, I'm home. What up? And parts come in or no?
For what?
The cam and shit?
Oh, it's shipped, but it don't have to come in now.
God damn it. What's all that?
It's little rack right here.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
More space to throw shit on. Some more space to throw.
Fucking bullshit on here.
Damn. I got to drive the Corvette. So right now I'm driving this thing out. Angel just wants me to park it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I want to take it for a spin, but you know, I ain't gonna do that. I don't work for the shop, so I can't do that. Ugh, I don't like the fucking clutch in this thing. It's disgusting. Just roll the windows up. This thing is actually nice, man. This is actually freaking nice. Like, bruh. Corvettes are nice. I need to get out of this because I'm falling in love. Here y'all go, man. Finally came in the mail. This is the Cletus McFarlane Bald Eagle cam. These are the specs on it. It's the Bald Eagle, you can see right there, Bald Eagle. It's Cletus McFarlane. So we're gonna throw that in this car, get everything taken off, and get the tripod set up so y'all guys can watch me do a cam swap. broke down the rocker arms and the push rods. Found us some bad news. These push rods are stock GM push rods, so we cannot use these. Well, we can use them on this cam, but I will not use these on this cam. So kind of a setback. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna cam swap it still like it's planned. Put that cam in here. We're gonna get everything done, roll the cam, that way we can get all lifters up. We're gonna buy the push rods. The rockers are inside, so we don't have to worry about that. We're gonna put the valve cover back on, put the whole front on, everything on the front except the valve covers, and we're gonna make sure everything's buttoned up as far as the cam was. I don't know how this man Angel's always right. I don't get it, bro. Like, he just always knows what the fuck to do. Like, so he's having problems putting the cam in, as you can see. So we thought it was the lifters on each side. He checked the lifters. Lifters are up in the cups. Didn't have to worry about the lifters. Then he just looks at the motor and says, yeah, I will remove that cam sensor. I remove the cam sensor, cam goes in. Let's go see what he has to say about that. I don't get how you're always right. That shit was the cam sensor. Yep, went right in. I'm like, bro, how the fuck? All right, man, so we're gonna put this thing back together. Thank God that it was just the cam sensor blocking it. We really thought it was like fucking bearings in it, like main bearings or cam bearings all fucked up. Let's check to see if that goes in. Yep, it goes down. Said if it goes down, it's good. So let's tighten all this up and get this all back in order. Alright, so as you can see, we have the bottom dot here, and then Angel marked the top dead center down there with the white marker, indicating that top dead center because the marker's there, but it's hard to see. So he marked it with like a little paint pen. So now we have the new cam in, then bolts torqued down, everything's torqued down. Now we can put the front cover back on, torque that down, and the cam install will be done, officially done. All the bolts are torqued down to spec. We're gonna try to put the harmonic balancer on, and then we'll wait on the bolt because we ain't gonna have a bolt yet. We'll put on the water pump, and then we'll put on the valve covers. Well, the push rods, the valve covers. I mean, the push rods, the lifters, the valve covers on. I'm just gonna put them on top. Go to the hardware store. I mean, not the hardware, the auto store, auto part. I can't talk today. Auto part store and get those. And we need a thermostat. And we also need spark plugs. These things are foul. Look at that. Spark plugs. Probably just been getting soaked in oil the whole time because that cam was just a stock cam letting oil in. So we'll get some TR6s. These are TR5s in here. We can get some TR6s, a little colder plug, but you can still run NA. So we'll get those, and we'll throw those in. Everything on the front end is damn near put together now. We're gonna stuff a towel in there and cover these back with the valve covers until I can get those parts, and then we're gonna probably try to wrap it with saran wrap this time, because I see that the trash bag didn't do shit because the rat just came back and just made another fucking nest. So let's clean this up and get this ready to go. I already went ahead and knocked out both sides with both rocker arms and push rods. Big shout out to Angel for that, giving me those. We need a harmonic balancer bolt. We need a thermostat, because the one that we have does not fit in there. I don't know why it says LS1. It's an LS1 and it doesn't fit. I don't know why, but that's the issue we're having right now. I can just pick one up from Yearwood tomorrow. And a harmonic balancer I'm gonna pick up, and we need valve seals, so valve cover seals. So once we get those, this car will be ready to fire up. Right now we're just packing all our stuff up and getting Angel all his tools, making sure everything's all good. I went ahead and plugged everything up. I'm gonna tighten up the alternator right now, that way I won't forget it. But everything is ready to go. We just got to go in the car and make sure we get all the little things. But other than that, like, comment, subscribe. I catch y'all in the next video. Peace.